Hello and welcome back to Remoto, and we are back in the garden. And I'd just like to say a big thank you first to all those people who have subscribed. I'm nearly at 200, which I never thought I'd get to that, so thank you all. But yes, we're back in the garden, and this one has been hotly asked for, and that is, what is that Stedi headlight? Or what is that headlight and how is it? So today we are going to review on what I think about this Stedi headlight and LED headlights in general. So Andrew, roll the intro. Let's go. Alright, so what headlight have I got on this bike and what did I replace the original with? So the original headlight was okay, it was great, but it wasn't the best. So I replaced that headlight with what is called a Stedi Homage Black. That price here in New Zealand is $280, which for the quality of this headlight is absolutely amazing. The build quality of this is top notch, but also the fact that it is legal to use within New Zealand. So it has all its certifications, it's E-marking I think is what they call it, so the beam pattern is correct for New Zealand use, and you can still get your rider fitness and it does not affect that, which is absolutely marvellous. Now going on to that, the beam pattern of this. So the original headlight, you'll see kind of clips as I go through this video of the original and the new. The original headlight was more filled light all the way through. It was just filtered light the whole road. Where now the LED headlight has a split beam between them, so there's two distinct lines between low beam and high beam, which I think for some could probably get quite annoying. But I think the brightness value that this headlight brings, this headlight is so much more brighter, it's not funny, like it's ridiculously bright. And that kind of helps with your riding, because now with that brighter headlight, you're not squinting into the dark, trying to figure out what's coming up ahead or what's going on. On that, the headlight is quite sleek looking. So the headlight is very sleek. It's a beautiful looking headlamp. But I think with that, people have their own preferences. Now I know some people prefer the old classic kind of Lucas look, I guess you would call it, where you've got that dim yellow headlight. This is definitely a bright white light. Some people love that yellow look, some people don't. I personally don't care. For me it's more about safety and awareness, and that kind of brings back to this. This headlight is so bright, during daytime cars can see you coming from miles, which is great. That's what you kind of want on a motorbike, is the more visibility the better, and with this headlight definitely gives you visibility. So I'll roll a clip right now, so you'll see on one and either side is the new and the old headlight. As you can probably see on the right hand side with the old headlight, the image in the video is a lot less, so that's because of how much more dim the light is, and it really does show. When you're riding with that, you're really looking into the distance, you're really concentrating to see actually what corners are coming up. With the Stedi LED headlight, that's no problem. I have had in the past that bright white light can be quite harsh on your eyes if you're doing a lot of night riding, but personally for what I do, and which is not a huge lot of night riding, I find it's absolutely fine. That's pretty much going to cover all the basis of the headlight. And the other thing was, how easy is it to install? It literally took me 5 minutes. For this video I put the old headlight back in, took the old headlight out, and then put this one in, and yeah, 5 minutes. Just take the clips out, take the two screws out, goes in good as gold, plugs into the original harness. You don't need to do anything. So 5 minutes to fit new headlights, not bad. The other thing is that this headlight is polycarbonate, not glass. So there's also the fact that if rocks do flick up towards you, like we have a lot of roadworks in New Zealand, if those rocks do flick up, it's not going to shatter or break glass all over your bike, which is also a great bonus. And if you actually look at the headlight, it actually steps out. It's actually got a step out, so it's not as flush mounted as the original, which I actually kind of find nice because it adds a little bit more complexity to the front. It's not just a stub nose headlight, which I find is kind of nice. But that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. In the next video, we're going to be heading to another pie shop because why not? Are we going to be heading to a pie shop? We may be, or it might be a jibber jabber session, but you're going to have to find out for that. Once again, thank you for everyone subscribing. If you did like this, please subscribe, because I'm trying to get to 500 by the end of the year. That's my goal. We'll see if we can get there. But yeah, if you have any more questions about the headlight and you'd like to see any more clips on it, just please ask below. And if you have a favorite LED headlight or you prefer the original, you tell me. So thank you again for joining into Remoto, and we will catch you in another video.